How we gonna go? All right, so now we're getting ready. Hello, everyone. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see if anybody's going to join this live stream. It is going to be a good one. First off, I want to talk about some Ethereum. It is currently pumping up 13.81% for today, which is absolutely awesome. I'm hoping Ethereum breaks through and we're going to see all-time highs for Ethereum, preferably over $1,500. I think we already broke all-time highs today. Let's see. Let me see why it's not showing their chart. All right, here we go. Here we go. Let's see, look at the weekly. Yeah, so we have reached $1,489 as the high, which is pretty dope. Which is pretty awesome. But the main focus of today's live stream is going to be BlockFi. Our first ever Reddit, pretty much live, is happening at 12:30 in about 10 minutes till 1:30. They're going to have their Chief Security Officer, Adam Haley. He's pretty much going to be answering questions about BlockFi, about its security, pretty much cryptocurrencies in general. I want to ask him some questions about Ethereum and Ethereum pretty much staking on BlockFi. Also, their credit card that's about to be coming out this year. It is going to be the first ever cryptocurrency credit card, which will be absolutely amazing. So we got a lot to talk about. Also, guys, if you have any questions whatsoever and you want me to ask BlockFi, do not hesitate to drop them in the comment section below. So once we go live in about 10 minutes, it'll be pretty good. Let me see if everything is looking good so far. All right. Yeah, so Ethereum, it is looking good. It is looking awesome. Monthly chart looks even better. I am hoping Ethereum passes over 1,500 and we get to close above that number on the daily. That will signal a very bullish sign for Ethereum. And I think if we can close above 1,500, 2,000 is... Oops. Then I think 2,000 is just around the corner. We have received a good news for Ethereum, so I think this is just the beginning, boys. This is just the beginning for Ethereum. All right, about 9 minutes, the live is going to start with BlockFi, so get your questions ready. Guys, if you do not know what BlockFi is, they are an amazing platform that allow you to earn interest on your cryptocurrency. So if you have Bitcoin, Ethereum, GUSD, you can simply deposit it on BlockFi and you can earn interest on your money. Also, just check out my YouTube channel. I have made a ton of videos about BlockFi and earning passive income with Bitcoin and Ethereum. Simply put it, I love this platform. Like, it is so passive. You simply deposit your crypto and every single day you're going to be earning interest. Like BlockFi, in my opinion, is one of the best ways to pretty much grow a long-term portfolio. For example, if you are holding Bitcoin, you will get paid in Bitcoin every single day, and you will accumulate more and more Bitcoin. Then in return, it creates a compounding effect where you are earning more Bitcoin on top of Bitcoin, which is absolutely awesome. Me personally, I have about like $18,000 or $19,000 in BlockFi in Bitcoin. So I'm hoping that over time, my 18,000 will grow into like a full Bitcoin, which will be absolutely awesome. Also on BlockFi, you are able to take out loans against your cryptocurrency. So let's say you have $50,000 in Bitcoin, but you do not want to sell your crypto. You can put it on BlockFi and you can take out a cash loan against your cryptocurrency. And with this cash loan, you can buy real estate, you can buy more cryptocurrencies, you can invest in stocks, you can do whatever you want, which is awesome. Just having that opportunity, man, I absolutely love it. And their first ever Bitcoin credit card, that is going to be a game changer. They got a partnership with Visa, and every time you use this credit card, you're going to get free Bitcoin. I think they give about like 2% or something like that on every purchase, which is dope. Then right here they talk about, and right here they talk about their cryptocurrency loans. Here's that infamous black card from BlockFi, the first ever credit card. Oh yeah, it's 1.5% back in Bitcoin on every purchase. Pretty sweet. I have a bunch of credit cards and I get cash back on all of them, but just having that one card that can pretty much give you free Bitcoin every time you use it, awesome. All right, eBay, all right. We don't got time for that today. And they got awesome insurance. All right, so here are the interest rates that you can earn on BlockFi as of right now. On Bitcoin, you'll be earning 6%. On GUSD, that is a stable coin, you'll be earning 8.6%. On Ethereum, it's 4.5%. That did drop a little bit. It was like 5%, but Ethereum is becoming more and more popular, so I think that's why it dropped a little bit. Also, USDC coin is 8.6%. In my personal opinion, like BlockFi has the potential to pretty much replace like every savings accounts out there. A lot of savings accounts pretty much pay like 0.001. That is like nothing compared to what BlockFi offers. So I got a feeling a lot of people are pretty much going to be using their US dollars, converting it into a USDC coin or GUSD coin, and just pretty much leaving it on BlockFi and earning an awesome interest rate. That is what I'm thinking about doing in the future. So stay tuned for those videos. Also, if you want to check out BlockFi, link will be in the description box below. So, all right, we got about 5 minutes before this live stream starts with BlockFi. So if you have any questions, drop in the comment section below. Let's take another look at Ethereum. 1470, 1478, we're looking good now. We are looking good now. Let's just hope that today we can pass over $1,500. I think it is very, very possible. Let's look at some other coins on CoinMarketCap. Wall Street Bets is #1. Over the last 7 days, this little meme coin is up 1,100%. Just in the last 24 hours, we're up 134%. Look at that chart. It is going to the moon. It is going to the moon. Bitcoin is slowly coming up as well. Like the last couple of weeks, Bitcoin has been going between like 31,000 and 33,000 like every other day. It just goes up and down, pretty much like a flat line. But now we are finally breaking out of the 34 range. Hopefully we can close above 35, 36, and that will also signal a very bullish sign for Bitcoin, which I'm hoping they do, Ethereum though, 15% up in the last 7 days, 12% up in the last 24 hours. Looking very good. XRP is dumping. They had a huge pump the other day when the Telegram groups pretty much decided, yo, let's pump XRP. Let's take XRP to the moon. But a lot of people did not realize that that when people pump something, they're not pumping it for no reason. They're not pumping it just to pump it. Their goal is to pretty much pump it and then dump it. Like, check this out. It was pumping for about 3 days. Pump, 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 pump. And then bam. Once it reached about 70, 80 cents. Yeah, 72 cents. Once it reached 72 cents, it just started dumping again. It just dumped like from 72 cents. Now it's back down. I think they're like mid 30s. Yeah, 37 cents. But guys, do not sleep on XRP. Even though they're going through a bunch of BS right now, the lawsuits, all the negative press, I think this thing can be just like Dogecoin, and it can pump multiple times. If we take a look at Dogecoin, oh wait, let's go back. Yeah, like Dogecoin, I was extremely surprised about Dogecoin. Where's it at? Scroll back up. We got 1 minute before this live starts. I just want to take a quick look at Doge. All right. Yeah, so Dogecoin right now is 3 cents. Look at these pumps on Dogecoin. That is absolutely insane. If you look at the last month, it literally went from under a penny to about, I think, like 8 or 9 cents. Yeah, 7.5 cents. That is insane. But if you look at like when it first pumped, when it went from like 0.007 and it went up to like let me see, like almost 2 cents, everybody was like, yeah, it's about to dump. And it did dump. But then it pumped once again to let me see right here. Yeah, to about 2.5 cents. And then what happened? It dumped again. Then it pumped again, dumped again, pumped again, hugely, almost 8 cents. And then it's dumped again, pump, dump. And now it is slowly leveling out and pretty much retracing probably back to around 2 cents, 2.5. But I think Dogecoin is still not done. This is just the beginning of the bull market, fellas. And there's going to be a lot of opportunities for Dogecoin to pump again. For some people, the masses love Dogecoin. And they have no problem dumping it. They have no problem pumping it and investing money in Dogecoin. So it will be extremely interesting to see what happens with Dogecoin, to see how high Dogecoin can go in the next couple of months. Especially with Elon, all he got to do is put out a tweet and Dogecoin starts pumping. All right, so BlockFi should be going live any second now. Any second. Are we? Let me see. Yeah, so any minute now, we should be going live with BlockFi. Let's switch over back, see what other coins. Also, Polkadot. I'm a big fan of Polkadot. Y'all already know. I don't even have to say anything about this one. Cardano, ADA, pumping like crazy right now, up over 24% in the last 24 hours, up over 30% in the last 7 days. The last 7 days haven't been good for a lot of coins, but today everything is pumping. As you guys know, I'm a big believer in Cardano. I hold a nice little bag of this coin on Binance.us. So the higher Cardano goes, the happier I am. Also, another one I'm holding is Litecoin. I don't have much of this one at all. I have about, I want to say like $3,000 worth of Litecoin, which I bought on Webull, but it is not actual Litecoin. It's just pretty much Litecoin, but you can't withdraw it to a wallet or anything like that. But today it is looking good, up 11%. But the price that I bought Litecoin in, This year, not 2020, when I first bought it, I bought it at $80. And I'm like, yeah. Then I saw another opportunity in a stock, and guess what I did? I sold it at around, I think, $89 or $90. And I'm like, sweet, made a quick little profit, and I was out. And then it went from 90 to 100 to 110 to 120 to 130 to 140, 150, 160. And guess what I did? At 160, dude, at $162, I ended up buying about $3,000 worth of Litecoin. And then as soon as I bought it, it started tanking. It went down to 150, 140, 130, pretty much to the low 120s. And I'm like, yeah, I'm not selling. Definitely not selling. And now slowly, Litecoin is making a comeback. I think last time I checked my Webull account, I was down, I want to say like 400 or 500 bucks on Litecoin. But hopefully it continues to go up. My sell target for Litecoin is probably around $250 to $300. Just depends how the market turns out over the next month or two. Chainlink, big fan of Chainlink. I do hold a little bit, but not a big bag where it will make a difference if it goes up 3%. Bitcoin Cash, own maybe like one or two of this one. Binance Coin, I do not hold any, but I like Binance Coin. I would probably end up selling every Chainlink and Bitcoin Cash, and I'll probably either buy Binance Coin or Uniswap. I believe these two are going to perform excellent this year, especially with the rise of Binance.us and decentralized exchanges like Uniswap. I think these two coins are going to be excellent. The only thing that's preventing Uniswap from pretty much skyrocketing is Ethereum. Ethereum gas fees are absolutely insane. And a lot of people that want to go from one coin to another and just want to swap coins, their gas fees, man, oh man. For example, if you want to swap like $200-300 worth of Ethereum into a different coin, with the gas fees, they're charging you anywhere between $15 and $30. That is per one transaction. So if you want to exchange it back to Ethereum, you got to pay the gas fee again. So the gas fees are eating up, and it is discouraging a lot of people from pretty much using Uniswap. But once Ethereum fixes this, once the gas fees drop, decentralization, baby, we're going to see Uniswap hit all-time highs. So even at $18.40, I think Uniswap and Binance.us are still excellent buys. Wrapped Bitcoin, I do not own much of this one at all. Pretty much zero. Come on, BlockFi, where you at? Alright. Hi there, I'm Adam. What up, Adam? CSO of BlockFi. For the next hour, feel free to ask me any security related question you have. Whether it be about crypto, custody, insurance, etc., BlockFi, or tech in general. Also happy to answer any questions about non-crypto hobbies, which include Jeeps, hiking, and most outdoor things. Alright. I joined BlockFi June 15, 2020 after leaving BAKKT, never heard of them, as their first CISO. I'm hyper focused on building BlockFi security program, which includes surrounding myself with an amazing team. By the way, we are hiring. Awesome. So guys, if you need a job, BlockFi is hiring. While we have made significant progress with security since June, as the company scales on every front, the leadership team remains committed to continue the security journey as one of our top priorities. Awesome. We all know how important security is with cryptocurrencies. There has been many exchanges that have been hacked. People's money has been stolen. So the higher security on BlockFi, the better. In addition to security, I'm honored to lead our internal IT team and more recently our client and fraud and risk team. A huge amount of work to do every day, but having a blast. All right. Check him out. All right, so first question. What is your plan in case of a sudden market drop beyond forced liquidation? All right, we have a mature risk management process to establish protocols in place for such an event. It is something we plan for. We have procedures to address and tabletop exercise at the highest level of the company. I point you to our history, specifically during March 2020, as proxy for how well we managed that period, and we have gotten better with time. Was wondering when you guys will be integrating TaxBit and providing more on taxes. Good question. Let's ask about the Bitcoin credit card. How am I gonna put this? Man, I thought this was going to be a live video. But it's not. Dang it, BlockFi. Dang it, BlockFi. I was really hoping for a live video. Something like a Zoom call or something. Alright, guys. I thought it was going to be a video. Let's refresh to see how. All right, Ethereum continues to pump. Bitcoin just had a slight little pullback, but I think today overall is going to be an excellent day. XRP still dumping. Cardano looking good, looking good. Litecoin looking good as well. All right, everybody, that pretty much concludes this video. I thought this was going to be a live with BlockFi, like an awesome video call, but it is just answering questions. If you want to ask a question, check out Reddit and just type in BlockFi, join the group, and ask questions away. I will be probably making a summary video later on, probably today or tomorrow, of all the questions that were asked with the answers, and we're gonna pretty much discuss them in a later video. So make sure you like this video, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Peace. BlockFi, BlockFi.